Okay. Now few values I would say, if you can remember, it's good. Okay. Okay. How would you write tan square theta by 2? So for that we can do it like sine square theta by 2 upon cos square theta by 2. Now sine square theta by 2 would become 1 by 2 1 minus cos theta, and this would become 1 by 2 1 plus cos theta using that double angle cos 2a only. So that means tan square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. You don't need to remember this. I mean, for bit chat and all, you should remember this. But naturally, you don't, because you can just write it. Just know how you have to convert this into like this, and then you can write it yourself. Sine 60 degree minus a, sine a, sine 60 degree plus a. That is 1 by 4 sine 3a. Similarly, if this is with cos, it would be 1 by 4 cos 3a. And if it is with tan, it would be tan 3a. Because it's like you're dividing it, right? You're dividing the first two.
Yeah.
Okay, then we have a product series of cos. Cos a, cos 2a, cos 2 square a, all the way up to cos 2, because it's 2 0, so like that, so it's 2n minus 1 a. And yeah, we have this. So how you can remember is like, the answer is 2 into number of terms, 2 power, sorry, into sine a, sine 2 power n of a. Or a better way is to learn it like sine of smallest angle that you see. The smallest angle here would be a, and then sine of 2 times of largest angle that you see. So largest angle is 2 power n minus 1. If you multiply that by 2, it would be 2 power n times a. So remember it like this, right? Because if you remember it like this, and I give you a product series like, say, cos a by 2 all the way till cos a by 2n. Now, what would be the answer of this product? And it's cos a by 2 square, like that. So 1 by 1, it's decreasing, right? So here,
Yeah.
tell me one thing. What is the largest angle that you see here? Is it this?
Cos a by 2. A by 2.
Correct. Correct. Because it's in division, so obviously small. This would be the largest. Okay, so now it becomes sine 2 into a by 2. How many terms do you see? So it is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, all the way till 2 power n. So it's n number of terms. Then sine of smallest angle would be this. So a by 2n. This is the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Now few values I would say, if you can remember, it's good. Okay, tell me one thing. How would you find, if you have this much data, how do you find sine 36 degree? I mean, you can do a lot of things, right? You can do sine 90 minus 54.
I'd probably do 1 minus cos square 36 degrees.
Yes, that is the best. And after this, whatever you need, for example, sine 15 you need. So sine 45 minus 30 degree, right? That you don't need to remember, I would say. Remember these much. These much are necessary.
Yeah, I'll just write them down. Yeah, done.
Okay, actually, one more thing. There's a very good way how this we found out. So let this be theta. We know theta into 5 is 90 degree. This is some standard thing. Okay. What we did was this becomes 5 theta. We know 2 and 3's. Right. So we wrote this like this and brought 3 theta to this side. Now we took sine of it, sine both sides, and then we solved and we got it. Okay. Okay, so simplification sometimes you might need to do. For example, a sine x plus b cos x, you know how to do that, right? Convert this into auxiliary angle, right?
Could you just repeat?
For example, if you have to simplify sine x plus cos x, so you know how to simplify this, right? This is coefficient 1, coefficient 1. So multiply by root
Yeah.
2 and divide by root 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know this. Now write this in terms of sine a plus b cos a plus b sine a minus b cos a minus b, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, if you have to simplify this, so what you should do here is convert everything into, I would say, single angle.
Sine. Yeah.
So you can write sine square x as 1 by 2, not single angle, uh, double angle. This would be what? 1 by 2, 1 minus cos 2x. This would be 1 by 2, 1 plus cos 2x. And sin x into cos x would be what? 1 by 2 sin 2x.
Mm-hmm.
You know what will happen after this? Everything would be in terms of sin 2x and cos 2x, right? So now you
Yeah.
can again use this thing because we have the argument same, x sin x cos x. Okay. Is this correct? Cos square x is 1 by 2 1 plus cos 2x.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Now let's say you have to simplify something like sin x plus cos x plus sin x cos x. So here we use that idea which you said. Uh, we can do one thing. Let t as sine plus cos. So this becomes t, right? And now we square it. So it becomes 1 plus sc by 2. Is this correct or wrong? Sorry. Um, wait. Does it become 2sc, right? It becomes 2sc.
Yeah.
So now we can write this as what? T square minus 1 by 2 and this as t. So you're having a quadratic. That's what you need for the whatever you are asked to do. Also, one more thing. As I told you long back, it's a good practice if you do substitution, right? Always, if possible, if necessary, try to write its restricted, updated
Yeah.
range.
Yeah. I know.
Huh? So
You
now,
do.
if my t is s plus t, that means the range of t is this, right? So this quadratic that we will get is in a restricted domain.
Also, I was hoping we could take up questions for this from like IT.
IAT. Okay, I'll take that towards the end.
Yeah, because there were some good questions.
Okay. So for example, here, anything they can ask. For example, if they ask something like this to you, 1 plus sine 2a. So we know we can write this thing as what? This, correct? And if they
Yeah,
ask this, so we can write this as,
that's how I remembered the identity for like 1
I
plus sine
know.
theta because
Only thing to remember is when you like remove the square root, you have to do what?
plus minus.
No, what is that? You have to take mod.
Okay, yeah.
X
That's
square,
what I said,
square root
plus
of x square
minus, as
dot.
in it's like plus minus that.
In a way you can say that, but
Yeah.
okay, you know this, right? Okay, what is the square root of 4?
Square root of 4 plus or minus 2.
Are you sure?
Well, technically 2, but if I'm going to take it in equation, I'll take plus or minus 2.
तो एक second, wait. Uh, Square root is defined as a positive thing in maths.
Yeah, I know. I know why you asked that question. I understood when you said it.
हाँ, okay. Okay, after this we have yeah. Can you solve this question?
I can try.
Yes, please try.
Yeah. 2 tan A equal to 3 cot A. Okay. So I have to find cos A minus B by cos A plus B. Okay. Hmm. I get. Okay, so basically we can probably get this as like sine A, sine B by cos A, cos B is 3 by 2, right?
Yes.
So that would be 3 by 2. And then we have to. Oh, we can do that where you add and subtract the thing. It's been so
Yeah.
long since I've done that.
Yeah, componendo and dividendo. So basically, if
Yeah,
you
component
remember
dividend.
ratio, hmm, so you can write this as a plus b, a minus b, p plus q, p minus q. It's componendo and dividendo.
Yeah, I
Okay, so yeah,
miss that.
you can solve this. Okay, no need to solve this.
It's 5 by minus 1, I think.
5 by
Yeah, it's
minus 1.
minus 5. It's minus 5.
Mm,
Because it's like 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3. Because we have to take the opposite ratio, right?
right. Yeah, okay, correct. 5 by minus 1. Yeah, okay. Okay. One more question. If cos theta plus 3 alpha is 2 cos theta plus alpha, then the value of tan theta plus 2 alpha into tan of alpha is what? Tan alpha. Okay.
Cos theta plus 3 alpha equal to 2 cos theta plus alpha. I have to find what? Tan theta plus 2 alpha, tan alpha. Okay. Okay, what I would do is I'd probably get it as like I'd probably get it as cos theta plus alpha plus 2 alpha is 2 cos theta plus alpha, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
So
So actually, yeah, they can. Okay. So in trigonometry, I've seen this a lot. You one observation is always that you focus on the angles that is inside. What will happen? Let's say you
mm,
have some angle, some angle,
is it
some angle.
one the final answer?
Okay, I don't know. I have to. Okay, let me check. One. I don't think. I think it's minus 3.
Minus 3. I probably made like some.
Hmm. So basically,
Because I'm
you can
getting
see
like
how.
sine theta plus alpha by cos theta plus alpha is 2 minus cos alpha by 2 minus cos 2 alpha, and yeah. Okay, yeah, could be wrong. Yeah, yeah, got it.
So if we let this as A, this as B, so we know this is A plus B. This is A minus B. Let's just apply the formula here. So you will have cos A, cos B, uh, cos A, cos B equals to minus 3 sin A, sin B. Yeah. Minus 3 sin A, sin B. And if you see they're asking tan A into tan B, right? So do I get my tan A into tan B as minus 1 by 3? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Hmm.
I think so. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, interesting question. If alpha is sine square 36 degrees and alpha is the root of ax4 plus bx square plus 5 equals to 0. So you have to find the value of a plus b if alpha is the root of this. Okay, let me solve this. No, wait, I think I'm doing a mistake. Alpha is sine 36. That's it. So I will show you a very good way to form the equation, or not form the equation exactly, to basically use the remainder or division of polynomial method in this question. Let's square this. Okay, we know what is the value of sine 36. What did you write in your notebook?
Sine 36.
Yes.
Sine 36 is we have to find sine 36, right?
Okay, leave it. Can I write this as 1 minus cos square 36 degree?
Yeah. You can. That's 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4.
6 plus 2 root 5?
No, not the whole thing, just like cos square 36.
Okay, it is 6
Because like
plus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay.
16, sorry. By 16. No, by 16. Like the whole angle, it's
Okay,
six,
calculate this.
it's 6.
Ah,
Yeah, I'll just tell you the final result, right?
yes.
It's root over 10. No, it's 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16. No, not root over, just 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means it's alpha square is 5 minus root 5 by 8. Right? So 8 alpha square is 5 minus root 5. Okay, very good. I'll do one thing here. Let me keep this root bad thing here only. Okay, let me bring it here. So it's 5 minus 8 alpha square, correct? Let me now square it again. Is it 5 is 25 plus 64 alpha 4 minus 80 alpha square? Which means it's 64 alpha 4 minus 80 alpha square plus of 20 equals to 0.
Yeah.
And we know alpha, oh wait, alpha 4.
You can divide by.
And we know alpha was a root of this. Yeah, or?
We can divide it by 4.
Yeah, to get that 5 thing, okay. So it is what? What is this? 16. So a plus b is minus 4. So very, interesting way. You can use this not only here, anywhere you like in quadratic, you think there's a dead end. Because it's not possible to actually put the fourth power of this in a square. You already calculated. Fourth power is too much. So that is also correct, just little time taking. It's better.
Yeah.
That still don't improve. Because the same mistakes keep repeating, and no one tracks them. In exams, this turns into confusion and blank moments. With one-to-one mentoring, every mistake is corrected, and real improvement begins.